Many people have asked this question. Does banana help to gain weight? Well, in this video we will tell you how to gain weight first with banana. Watch the full video and we will get an absolutely clear idea about this. Before starting, subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our future updates. Technically, banana doesn't affect your weight gain or weight loss. Banana is full of nutrients and energy. It is also a great source of essential minerals and vitamins. Now the fact is, bananas do not make you lose or gain weight, but the combination in which you take, the timing and the way you consume the banana makes the difference. So you can gain weight and also lose weight with banana. In this video, we will tell you how to gain weight with banana. To gain weight with banana, the must-have component is milk. Milk and banana combination is the best food for extreme fast weight gain. Well, only milk and banana will definitely help you to gain weight. But if you want to gain weight more faster and want to make your drink more nutritious, this is an amazing weight gain banana smoothies recipe for you. By drinking this, you can easily gain up to 10 pounds in a week. To make this weight gainer shake, ingredients you will need: 1 glass whole milk, 2 bananas, 1 cup oats, 3 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 scoop cream and 2 scoops whey protein. Total 1053 calories. Drink this daily for a week in breakfast or between meals. This will help you to gain weight 10 times faster. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. To get more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.